I have here the Rust-Oleum Spray Gloss Paint in Dreamy Lavender. I'm going to try it out on this wooden canvas just to give you an idea of what to expect. But you do want to make sure you clean the surface before you spray on it, whatever you're using, and also shake it. And you want to spray it about 10 to 16 inches away from the surface that you're trying to spray. So we're going to try it out and see how well it covers. Here is what it looks like after 2 coats. It covered really well. In my opinion, it's great. I honestly recommend this paint. I chalk paint things pretty often, so this would be a great paint to use to repurpose any kind of piece of furniture, I'd say. But it's exactly the color you would expect it to be for a lavender. And yeah, it covered really well without having to prime it and just simply spraying it. So it's pretty easy to use as well.